So what we're going to do is, first off, we're going to purchase a domain name using the Route 53 service. Then we're going to look at uploading our website to Amazon Web Services, specifically the AWS S3 service. And then we're going to enable that to host our website. Once we've done that, what we're going to do is then create a CloudFront distribution, which will make a copy of our website and distribute it across well over 50 different edge locations across the world. Then we're going to look at using the Route 53 service, domain name service of Amazon Web Services, to route our traffic through to our edge locations. And then once we've done that, we can look at increasing security with HTTPS encryption for traffic to and from our website. Now, what will this look like? Our request to our domain name will come to Amazon Web Services through the AWS Route 53 service. From there, it will distribute our request to a CloudFront edge location close to us or close to your end user. So for example, if your end user is located in Australia, then they'll most likely end up getting their content delivered from the Sydney edge location. If your user is located in North Virginia, then they will definitely be getting their copy of your website from the US East region. So to enable that to happen, CloudFront needs a CloudFront distribution, which is a copy of your website. And what it does, it gets that from the Amazon S3 service. So we're going to get your website and we're going to upload it to Amazon S3 service into what we call a bucket, which will contain that website. And then the CloudFront service will update on a reasonably regular basis, probably every day or whatever we want to specify. Will update its CloudFront distribution and then distribute that across the CloudFront edge locations. We're also going to have HTTPS enabled. So we're going to have SSL encryption on traffic coming to and from if we require that. And so we're going to again use the AWS Management Console to create an SSL certificate using the AWS Certificate Manager. Now this in the past used to be quite an expensive thing. You used to have to pay around about $100 to do this, and there was a bit of mucking around to get that into Amazon Web Services, and so now it's all very automated and free, and a really great simple process to do right now. So that's what it will look like when we finish. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get an Amazon Web Services account. So go to aws.amazon.com if you don't already have an AWS account. Sign up, costs you nothing to sign up. And if you start using their services, you will be able to, for the first 12 months, use it under the AWS free tier. The next thing we need is we obviously need a website. If you don't have one ready to go, there are a couple of sites there where you can get free HTML5 templates, and they're pretty good templates as well. The ones there are free HTML5.co or HTML5up.net. And so go to either one of those and download and unzip the file that you get there, and you'll have a website ready to go that we can upload to Amazon S3. You're also going to need the course notes for the course. So in the next lecture, if you go to the reference section there will be a link to download the course notes. And those course notes are quite good. They'll have every step of the way. They'll have screenshots, and you'll be able to just watch the lectures and then go ahead, use these course notes to implement the infrastructure yourself. So that brings us to the end of the intro, and I'll see you in the next lecture.